loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. For today's video, I am bringing you a watch me while I work on my own nails Christmas edition. Merry Christmas to everyone in advance. I am taking my Young Nails Protein Bond and prepping my nail beds with that. 2 coats for my nails, just to prevent any lifting whatsoever. I do recommend that for anyone that has problems with lifting. 2 coats does the trick. So for these nails, I had such a hard time trying to figure out what exactly I wanted to do on my nails. I sat there forever after I created the base and I could not think of anything, so I ended up going the more simple route. I hope you guys like it. For this specific set, I am using Cover Pink from Young Nails. Absolute favorite color. It goes with every skin tone. I've tried it on every client and it just fits so perfect. Highly recommend this color to anyone looking for a pretty nude. I am basically just going to show you guys how I do my acrylic set on myself, so I'll let you guys to it. There's not very much explaining to do on this part, so I will get back on here whenever I am doing the nail art. Alright, so I decided to just show you guys one nail on my right hand being done with my left hand. This is the biggest struggle. I definitely can do it a lot better now, but it still takes me forever to do my right hand. So because I pay so close attention, sometimes my right hand actually turns out better than my my left hand for whatever reason. I don't know. So you can see me kind of struggle here in just a second. It's so hard, like, to kind of, I don't know, like, figure out how I want to put my hand or what way is easier for me to place it. It's kind of funny watching it, but I figured I would just show you guys just a little snip of that. I did not insert the rest of the nails just because this video would have been way too long, but I thought it would be kind of cool to show you guys my struggles, and every nail tech struggle doing their right hand. All right, so I am officially in the Nailart, taking Mission Control Power Up. It is a beautiful, beautiful red. So I am just doing that like V French design towards the tip of the nail. I have been absolutely obsessed with this look for a while now, so I get super excited whenever clients ask for it. Super easy to achieve, especially with gel paint or just paint in general. Doing it with acrylic is a struggle, but you get such a pretty look whenever you are done with it. So I am taking that and placing that on my index finger and my pinky. Okay, so a quick little tip. I don't know if you can catch it on the video, but I did place a dot right in the middle of the end of the nail, and then on each side of the nail as well. This makes a huge difference when you're trying to do that straight line. All you have to do is connect the right side to the middle and then the left side to the middle, so you get that perfect V and you don't struggle as much when you're trying to eyeball it and just do lines. It's a little bit harder. So this is just kind of a quick little tip for anyone that struggles with doing these type of lines. Try it out, and it does make a huge difference. And of course I couldn't leave out these snowflakes, so that's what I'm doing for my middle finger. I'm just taking Mission Control gel paint in the color Fizz, which is this beautiful white, and basically just drawing a bunch of random little snowflakes on the entire surface of this middle finger. I kind of just played with the designs a little bit and kind of figured it out as I went. I didn't really have a picture of a snowflake that I really wanted to draw. I kind of just did whatever came to my mind. So that's what I did on this nail. And then I decided towards the end that I wanted to add some little icicle drips onto my ring finger, and so I went ahead and drew that on there, and I actually really liked it. So sometimes I like to suggest to kind of just try things, see if you like it or not, and then if you don't, worst case scenario, just take it off and try something else. It's always a back and forth, especially on my own nails. I just never know if it's gonna look good or not. You know, everybody has their own interpretation of what looks good on their hands, and I'm so scared to get out of that nude. And so I definitely push myself to try different things, and I definitely recommend everyone else to do so as well. You end up figuring out that, you know, you might absolutely love yellow when you were terrified of it. So highly recommend you guys to step out of your comfort zone and just try different things, especially when it comes to nails. You can truly let your creativity flow and show your personality. Alright, drip time. So as usual, I did show this mini tutorial on my Instagram page. If you do not follow me already, it is at VEE_Nailedit. Go ahead and check that out. I upload different content on there all the time. So my interpretation of icicle drips is a very messy drip, but the super important part of it in my eyes is ending it with a point. Okay, so I'm going to continue to draw the little icicle drips down to the end of that white line that I drew across the entire nail. And I do want to apologize in advance that I did not record my right hand. I did more nail art, which you'll be able to see at the end, but unfortunately I thought I pressed record and I did not. So I do apologize for that, and I do want to include that I debated on putting glitter over the wet white gel paint before curing, but I have this weird thing about texture, so I opted for no glitter. I am taking my Matte It from Not Polished. This is the best matte top coat ever. It stays matte the entire time. Highly recommend it. And this basically concludes this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys loved it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate every single one of you guys. Again, thank you guys so much.